Welcome to Forestry Tech. Get ready for an adrenaline rush as we explore the jaw-dropping world of oversized load transportation. Hold tight as we unveil the most incredible methods to move these massive loads. Let's dive in. Join us as we dive into the exciting world of Transports Montejo. They're tackling a mining project in Panama with 20 Goldhofer modular trailers. The Komatsu PC 8000-11, an 820-ton hydraulic excavator, features a robust dual-engine system generating 4,000 horsepower. Navigating steep terrain highlights the equipment's engineering precision and the operator's exceptional skill. What a spectacle! On July 4th, the Pacha shipyard in Groningen launched a colossal hull. Construction number 154, soon to become TMS Ettersee. The water roared as the towering structure, built for Torsten Sanders, hit the surface. For a moment it felt like the launch might overwhelm the small waterway, but thankfully, it all went smoothly. Try counting the wheels? This is the longest truck, or rather, two trucks joined together for a river crossing, I've ever seen in my life. With a massive stretch over the Blythe River, this beast of a road train surges across the water, navigating the rugged terrain of remote Australia with jaw-dropping precision. Basta joven. Wow, those cranes are really something. That was a slick move. They really know how to handle tough situations. The massive convoy carrying a 7-meter-wide drying tower crawled toward Elven, carefully navigating Morum's tight roads. Each turn felt like a daring feat, with tension mounting at every obstacle. At one point, the tank scraped a tree branch, but the crew's expert handling kept things on track. Each turn felt like balancing a giant barrel on the verge of collapse. Each turn felt like balancing a giant barrel on the verge of collapse. As a truck driver who's seen countless highways and dual lanes, I was intrigued by the innovative tow plow setup in this video. Paired with a tractor, it clears up to 2.5 lanes. A feat standard plows can't match. They loaded the tractor with liquid for weight. But while the left lane shines, the tractor's lane struggles. It's impressive. But could a more cohesive fleet design boost efficiency? Wow, transporting this beast is no easy task. Hear that? The metal clashing is precision in motion. It's not just the driver's skill, the line operator is just as vital. Without flawless coordination, this colossal transport wouldn't happen. It's a risky operation with high stakes. Witness a disc trencher so tough it practically laughs at rocks and debris. The Braca T26.B transforms rugged terrain into fertile ground, giving seeds of VIP pass to sprout success. It's like having a backstage pass to nature's ultimate concert of growth and survival. The unmistakable smell of diesel and the roar of machines in the summer heat capture the essence of New Zealand's forestry scene. This video showcases an impressive array of heavy machinery, from engineering marvels like log trucks that effortlessly haul massive loads through rugged terrain to state-of-the-art log loaders that enhance efficiency. The combination of skillful operation and advanced technology highlights the dedication to innovation in the industry. It's a fascinating glimpse into how modern machinery transforms the challenges of forestry into stunning achievements. The technical prowess displayed in this video is nothing short of impressive. A 72-ton crushing plant being transported without a hitch. Can you believe this beast can be operated remotely? Even the low bed steering can be controlled with a remote, though the driver handled it manually this time. Watching a skilled operator tackle such a massive task with ease is nothing short of inspiring. A game changer in wood chip harvesting. Turning trees into wood chips takes serious gear and skill. Big machines cut, chip, and transport wood with precision and power. From tractors to specialized trailers, it's an awe-inspiring display of innovation and skill. What a feat of engineering! The video brilliantly captures the logistical ballet of assembling a wind turbine. Coordination between the two 500-ton cranes is nothing short of mesmerizing. It's fascinating to see how they manage the heavy lifting while ensuring safety in tough weather conditions. The sheer scale of this operation is breathtaking. Each component is not just transported, but orchestrated into place. Whoa, that barge slicing through the icy lock is like a scene from a movie. No bow prop, and still handling it like a pro? Talk about next level skill. Props to the captain.
और इनके नीचे से गुजरे क्योंकि और थाइस पर टाइट बहुत होती है वो भाई यहाँ ने भी बहुत आते हैं लोग देखने के लिए और साथ में जो व्हीकल है अभी रोक दिया रे भाई अभी
A challenging scenario unfolds as a convoy of trucks with 452 tires is immobilized by a low traffic sign. 4 trucks carrying colossal reactors are at an impasse. For the first time, the Scania puller tool makes an appearance, showcasing unique capabilities. 2 cranes are working to lift the traffic sign, enabling the transport to proceed. I'm curious, how will they tackle the toll station ahead?
If you break up एक साल लग जाएगा करीबन 1 साल से पहले वो नहीं पहुंचेगा ये देखो ये देखो ये इंजन स्टार्ट है